I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video will be a everyday cleaning routine. It's the routine that I do every single day after I drop my children off. I will be doing much deep clean later on once I get my foot in. I am currently going to therapy to help with my anxiety. So when I get my anxiety under control, I can tackle like bigger things. But for right now, my home is in a state where I can manage. And if I try to go and do something else, it will become overwhelming for me. So that's why I only do everyday cleaning routine, because I don't have the mental capacity to do anything else. So bear with me, I am working on it. So the footage that you will see is I have on 2 different outfits. That's because I had to go to my therapy yesterday. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and you can talk to me in the comment. I won't bite, I promise. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Okay guys, so let's get started on the cleaning. So this day, I think it was Monday, and usually Mondays are hard for me. It's hard for me to get up and get going. It's hard for my brain to process all the things that's going on. It's hard for my brain to process that it's a whole new week and I won't get a break until Friday. So it's just so much that goes on in my head, but I'm trying to be a normal person, if that makes sense.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, yeah, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
Also this day I had to go to therapy, so I had to stop what I was doing and get dressed and go sit down and talk for an hour. It was an hour and a couple minutes. Therapy lasted a little bit longer than it should have, because we had to deal with something, and came home and still wasn't feeling the greatest, so I just did what I could. And I was like, I will leave the rest for another time. I'm not going to overwhelm myself. And I had to tell myself that it was okay. It was okay that I didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done that day. And I couldn't beat myself up for it.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady. steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm not gonna wake
Anyways, I
up.
hope you guys are enjoying today's video. If you are, please leave a heart. Is it a heart emoji? No, I don't want a heart emoji today. Let's do a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs up in the comment section. Let me know you guys are enjoying this video. I hope you guys are having an amazing... Today's Tuesday now that I'm editing this video, and this will go up on Wednesday, so you guys will see this on Wednesday. But I hope you guys are having an amazing week. It's supposed to snow here tomorrow, Wednesday, and I'm looking forward to the snow, believe it or not. I'm looking forward to just a relaxed day. Kids don't have any school. I can just lounge around and just take a mental break. I think sometimes we need a mental break in order to get ourselves together, our thoughts and everything, and just focus on God and how amazing He's been to us and all the good things that He has done for us. So I love when breaks are, are needed or necessary or given or taken or whatever it is. I appreciate it.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. as I can be here with you, everything's alright.